In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off age restriction on iPhone App Store. If you're seeing this app is not available due to restrictions or certain games just won't download, it usually means screen time is limiting your App Store access. Let's walk through how to lift those limits safely and completely. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone and scrolling to Screen Time. This is where Apple groups all parental controls and content limits. If you're asked for a Screen Time passcode, enter it to continue. That code is different from your device passcode and is required to make changes. Next, go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure the switch at the top is turned on. Even though it sounds counterintuitive, this needs to be on so you can adjust what's allowed. With it enabled, you'll see all the detailed options you can change. Now tap App Store, Media, Web, and Games. On some versions of iOS, this section may be labeled Content Restrictions. Find Apps, then select 17 plus. This is the highest rating available and effectively allows all apps to be downloaded regardless of age rating. There isn't an Allow All option, so 17 plus is the setting that fully removes App Store age blocks. After you make the change, give it a few seconds to apply or restart your iPhone if the App Store doesn't reflect it right away. Head back one level to Content and Privacy Restrictions and open iTunes and App Store purchases. Here, tap Installing Apps and switch it from Don't Allow to Allow. Even if you've set the age rating to 17 plus, you still need to make sure installation itself isn't blocked. Otherwise, the App Store won't let you add new apps. With those settings in place, it's time to test. Open the Apple App Store and search for the app or game that was previously blocked. Tap Get or the download icon. You should now be able to download and install without any age-related messages. If you still see restrictions, double check that apps is set to 17 plus and that installing apps is set to allow. Also confirm you're signed in with the correct Apple ID and give it a moment for the changes to sync. That's it. Your App Store age restrictions are now turned off and you can install any app that's available in your region. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more App Store tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.